I picked up these letters from Hobby Lobby. However, you can get them at Walmart as well, similar ones, and most craft stores do have different style of letters. And I'm starting by using 1 hour enamel and a foam brush. Now I picked up this paper also at Hobby Lobby. They have a section where you can get 4 sheets for $1. There's many different styles to choose from. I like this this birch bark style, and I am just decoupaging them onto each letter. First applying the 1 hour enamel, the paper. I put some saran wrap down and used my brayer. This paper is a little thicker than most, so it may take several coats of the 1 hour enamel as a top coat. Again, each letter, I just did the 1 hour enamel, placed down the paper, used my brayer with the saran wrap, and I went through each letter and just repeated the process. And I waited for them to dry. Now, I found these snowflakes at Hobby Lobby. They came in a pack of 3 for $4.99 with 50% off right now with all the Christmas items. They were ornaments, and I just needed one. And I started by painting it with some chocolate by Wise Owl. I watered down my paint just a little bit. It does help when you're trying to get on these crevices, of a cutout piece. I start with a little bit of a watered down paint and then go back with, 100% of the chocolate. And then I allowed that to dry. Now that my paper's dry, and because the paper was a little thicker than you normally see me use, I used a X-Acto knife or a razor blade you can also use to cut around the paper. And I started from the back and found that if you kind of had the letter raised just a little bit, it was a little easier from the front. I went through each letter in this fashion. And then at the end, if you want to just clean up your edges, you can hit it with some sandpaper. Once I had all my letters nice and cleaned up, I did go back and put another coat of the 1 hour enamel. I took my snowflake and I did a dry brush of the snow owl on my snowflake. And you can place your snowflake on your O however you want. I just decided to put it, off to the center a little bit. You could put it right in the center. And there you go. Now you have this snow wording that you could place on a mantle. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, you can go check us out on YouTube. You can now find all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. Any paint products, brushes, transfers, or tissue paper, chalkitupfancy.com.